So you want to see the wild stuff?
I'm not gonna waste your time. Who wants to see how this set looks upgraded with cool Dyna-Living RGBIC lights? Let's do that and then we'll come back and talk about them.
Alright, we're back at what looks like a really nice studio, right? So I have to, number one, say thank you because these were provided to me, but with no instructions on what to say or even how to use them. They just said, check them out. I was like, sure, I know where I could use them. And in any case, you saw me install them. They were super easy to set up. They're very flexible in the way, they're a little unique from what I've seen in the way they have like that little section of wire between the little LED sections. So it makes it very easy to kind of customize it for what you're going to use it for. They're also Bluetooth enabled. They have an app which allows you to adjust all the colors and all that kind of stuff. So you want to see the wild stuff? Let's do it. So this is the normal Doug and Nikki studio kind of look, but let's try, what does rainbow look like? How about that? Is that a cool look? Do you like that? I am having so much fun with this, I have to say. How about meteor? What does that look like? Ooh, how fun is that? Oh, I might have to leave that on. Stars. Ooh, what does stars look like? Stars is a little less, a little more restrained. Let's try fire. Fire, yeah. Okay, so now you can see there are all kinds of different modes, colors, ways you can use them. Like, and you can also make adjustments to it. So like, let's say we put it back into rainbow mode, and then you could speed up the rainbow. Like speed up the rainbow, slow the rainbow down. You can make it brighter, less bright. I don't know what length does. Let's see what length does. I guess that also changes the cadence and how it's changing colors. In any case, let's go back to normal. How about that? Blue. In any case, these things are absolutely fabulous. I have I'm a little bit of an LED addict, and these things were great to work with. So I can only give them a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.